This program was made possible by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
PBS Kids.
Today's programming is made possible in part by WETA members and by the Park Foundation, dedicated to education and quality television.
No need to look around. The best is yet to come on WETA Kids.
There was a girl, whose shoe untied. So she sat down. Woo-hoo, she cried. I don't know how to tie my shoe. Will someone come to my rescue? Well, winter came, and spring it passed. And then she grabbed that lace at last. She tangled up, her thumbs turned blue. One hip hooray, she tied her shoe. Tie it out!
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.